Welcome to the house of AGARO, the next generation of healthy living. When you want a dirt and dust-free home, all you need is AGARO Storm 2000 watt vacuum cleaner. With a 5-meter long cord, it gives you the utmost ease of cleaning, even in the tackiest corner of the house. Its 360-degree swivel hose gives complete freedom while vacuuming in all directions. With a 4-liter capacity, in its reusable dust bag, one can adjust the desired suction level up to 24 kPa. No wonder it's called AGARO Storm, so don't hold back and give your home nothing but the best. AGARO. Live better.